Next section here, we're looking at I can name a major or minor arc and I can find its measure given a central angle. So we are looking at central angles and the arcs that match up with that angle. Sometimes it's going to be a major arc over 180 degrees, sometimes a minor arc less than 180 degrees. If you're wondering if it's exactly 180, it's called a semicircle. You're going to name it with 3 letters. So the first one says name the arc made by the given angle. IQH. IQH. Now, because it doesn't specify whether it's this angle or this angle, I'm going to assume that it's the smaller one, the more specific one that I drew here. So I'm going to say it's this smaller one. So I'm going to say that it's a minor arc. And whenever we have a minor arc, we always start and end with our endpoints along the circle. So it's going to be this thing right here that I just drew in blue, and we're going to name it IH. That's the name of the arc. On number 27, it says name the major arc for BQD. BQD is right here. The major arc is over 180 degrees, so we are going to call it our endpoint B, our other endpoint on the other end D, and in the middle any other point. So if there's a bunch of points here, you could pick your favorite one. In this case, there's only one, so we have no choice. But arc BCD. In the next section it says find the measure of the arc or central angle indicated. Assume that lines which appear to be diameters are actual diameters, meaning that this angle or this line here is a straight line, this line is a straight line, and both of them are going to be diameters of the circle. On the bottom it says the same thing, except this time we're solving it for x. So I'm going to do number 30, and I'm going to let you do the other 3 on your own. Number 30 here, it looks like I have a straight line going all the way across, which means that that's going to be 180 degrees here. That's going to be 180 degrees. And if this one is 135, then this angle has to be 45. 180 minus 135 is going to be equal to 45 degrees. And if 45 degrees is equal to x plus 52, this part right here, then I could subtract 52 from both sides, and I'm going to get x is equal to -7. And that's my answer. So x is equal to -7.